Hi, this is Jeevaratnam and welcome to my channel Jeevan Astro Answers. Speech disorders. Speech is one of the main way in which we communicate with those around us. Speech is the process of producing specific sounds that convey meaning to the listener. As we grow, it develops naturally along with other signs of normal growth and development. But disorders of speech and language are nowadays a common problem in preschool age children. A speech disorder refers to any condition that affects a person's ability to produce sounds that create a word. Speech disorders are different from language disorders in children. Language disorders refers to someone having difficulty with getting their meaning or message across to others, that is expressive language, or understanding the message coming from others, that is receptive language. In this video, I just explored about speech disorders and its associated planets and houses. Some common speech disorders are articulation disorders, phonological disorders, disfluency, etc. Causes of speech disorders can include genetic abnormalities. Articulation and phonological disorders may occur in other family members. Emotional stress. Damages in the parts of the brain that control the muscles work together to create speech. Hearing loss. Acid from the stomach moving upward. Conditions that damage the nerves that supply the muscles of the vocal cords. Damaged vocal cords. A degenerative disease such as Parkinson's disease or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, etc. Dementia. Cancer that affects the mouth or throat. Autism. Down syndrome. Hearing loss are some of the main causes of speech disorders. Risk factors that can increase the likelihood of a person's developing a speech disorder include being born prematurely, having a low weight at birth, having a family history of speech disorders, experiencing problems that affect the ears, nose, or throat. Now we see the houses and planets responsible for speech disorders. Second house rules the tongue and Jupiter governs defect in speech. Taurus in second sign, and so affliction of these produces disorders connecting defects in speech. Ketu in adverse condition in second gives stammering. Afflicted Rahu or Saturn here makes one speak too much and late. Afflicted Sun or Mars makes one speak harsh and loudly. Tongue problem. Jupiter governs tongue and defect in speech. Finally, speech. It allows us to form connections, influence decisions, and motivate changes in our life. Without the proper communication skills, the ability to progress in the working world itself would be nearly impossible. Public speaking is one of the most important and most read forms of communication. But speech disorders affect a person's ability to form the sounds that allow them to communicate with other people. They are not the same as language disorders. Speech disorders prevent people from forming correct speech sounds, while language disorders affect a person's ability to learn words or understand what others say to them. However, both speech and language disorders can make it more difficult for a person to express their thoughts and feelings to others. Speech disorders can affect a person's self-esteem and their overall quality of life. But the early diagnosis, proper speech therapy, breathing exercise, and sometimes anti-anxiety medications can help improve speech and reduce symptoms. I hope you might have enjoyed this video. Anyway, thank you and meet you soon again in the next video. Bye. Take care.